Jewelry making, like any other new hobby or activity, might seem a little bit overwhelming at the start. So to make things easier for you, in this video I will be sharing with you some basic jewelry making supplies and how to use them. Let's begin with some basic tools. This is a flat nose plier, this is a round nose plier, and this is a wire cutter. Next you will need some stringing wire. This is a steel wire which is thin yet strong. This is an elastic string which is good for bracelets and kids jewelry, and this is a strong and flexible nylon string which we will use for demonstration purpose. Another essential component is jump rings which come in various sizes and are good for connecting clasps, chains and other jewelry findings. Next comes the crimp beads which we will be using for securing the ends of the stringing wire. So in order to make a necklace, let's first begin with stringing the crimp bead followed by a jump ring. Now make a loop through the jump ring and insert the free end of the string back into the crimp bead. Make sure that the jump ring and crimp beads are tightly secure, and then use a flat nose plier to crimp the bead. As you can see, one end of the string is now secure, so we can now start stringing beads without the fear of them falling off. You can use different kinds of beads for the necklace as per your liking. Make sure to tuck the loose end of the string inside the beads to give a finished look. I have also used some bead caps in my necklace. You can also use some charms or other jewelry findings as per your liking. Once you are done stringing beads, make sure to crimp the other end of the necklace too. You can use more jump rings at the end to make a chain. Now it's time to attach the clasp. Here I have used the very popular lobster claw clasp, but you can choose from many other different kinds too. So here is a finished necklace. Wasn't it easy to make? Another very useful and popular component is the head pin, which has many uses, like attaching single beads and charms to a necklace or making a earring. Similarly, we have eye pins and ball head pins. For making earrings along with your necklace, you will also need fish hook wire or stud base with stopper. In order to make a simple earring to go along with my necklace, I have used a ball pin, strung some beads and bead caps through it, used the round nose plier to make a loop and attach the fish hook wire. And this is how I made a complete set of necklace and earrings using some simple jewelry making supplies, and I hope that you can too.